What's a sign? In Western astrology, it's a constellation determined by when your birthday falls in the calendar. But according to the Chinese zodiac or Shanshao, it's your Shoushang, meaning the animal is to your birth year. And after many years explaining these animal signs and their arrangement, the most alluring one is that of the rat race. As the story goes, Yu or the Emperor, ruler of the heavens, wanted to devise a way to measure time, so he organized the race. The first 12 animals to make it across the river would earn a spot in the zodiac calendar. In the order they arrived, the rat rose with the sun to get an early start, but on the way to the river, he met the horse, the tiger, and the ox. Because the rat was small and couldn't swim very well, he asked the bigger animals for help. But the tiger and horse refused. The kind-hearted ox agreed to carry the rat's corpse. Yet just they were about to reach the other side, the rat jumped off the ox's head and secured first place. The ox came in second, with the powerful tiger right behind him. The rabbit, too small to battle the current, namely how to across stones and logs to come forth. Next came the rat, who could flow narrowly across but stones to have some creatures who had scouted on the way after the horse grins across the river, but just say across the snake slipper by. The started horse reared back, letting the snake sneak into sixth space. The giant emperor took down the river and spotted the sheep, the monkey, and the rooster on top of rats, working together to push through the woods. When they met across, the trio agreed to give access to the ship, who had been the most competent harmless of them. Follow the monkey and the rooster. Let's come the road, scrambling on the shore. It was a race swimmer, what floated in the water for so long that he only managed to come in one. The final spot was camped by the pig, who had gone hanging in hands to eat and snap before finally walking across the finish line. And so this GA is associated with one of the animals in this order, with the cycle starting over every 60 years. Why 60 or not 12? Well, the traditional Chinese calendar is made up of two overlapping systems. The animal of the zodiac is associated with what's called the 12 earthly branches, or Shirunchiju. Another system, the 10th heavenly stems, or Zhechuangen, is linked with the 5 classical elements of metal, Jin, wood, mu, water, Shi, fire, Hua, and earth, Tu. Each element is said yin or yang, reacting a 10-year cycle. When the 12 animals of the earthly branches are merged with the 5 elements, plus the yin or the yang of the heaven stems, it reacts 60 years a different combination, known as a centenary cycle or Chanji. Also, someone born in 1980 would have the sign of young mother monkey, while someone born in 2007 would be young fire fig. In fact, you can also have an inner animal based on a birth month, a true animal based on a birth date, and a secret animal based on a birth hour. It was the rat race that supposedly the bottomwood animals saw inside in the Chinese zodiac, but as the storm spread through Asia, other majors made changes to reflect their communities. So if you're going to the Vietnamese zodiac, you may discover that you're a cat, not a rabbit. If you're in Thailand, a mythical snake called a naga would replace the dragon. So whether or not you play stock or what is the zodiac says about you, it's great when you give as much about culture it comes from.